In this video, we will solve quadratic equations using Python. A, B, C are the coefficients of the quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We need to solve x. First, find b squared minus 4ac, which is called the discriminant. Conditions for discriminant. If the discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, return 2 real roots. If the discriminant is negative, return no real roots. The solutions are complex. First, I am declaring 3 variables a, b, and c to take user input. Then I am creating another variable to calculate the discriminant. Writing if condition discriminant is greater than or equals to 0. Declaring 2 variables r1 and r2 for roots. Here I am using Math module to find the square root of discriminant. Writing print instruction for displaying R1 and R2. Else return no real roots. The solutions are complex. Executing the code and providing the values as shown in the image. The values provided are the same as those in example 2. Please like and subscribe, it helps me a lot.